Hi, welcome to our video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, what we're going to show is these operators. Actually, we have started operators in the previous lesson. So in this video lesson, we'll continue operators. We'll see assignment operators, and the next operator is logical operators. So let's create a new file, Python file. Assignment and logical operators. Assignment and logical operators. Okay, so this will create a new file for us. Now what we are going to do is let's demonstrate assignment operators with examples. Assignment operators. Assigning means storing a value into a variable. Okay, it can be a variable to variable or raw data to variable. Okay, so the syntax is like, let's say we have a variable age being declared and assigned a value 10. Now this line means assign or store the value 10 to a variable called age. Okay, so this one is an assignment property. But we can have other operations, like it's not necessarily single value assignment. Let's say age equal to 10 plus 4. Now this line, what this line does is it adds the two values and then stores the result into the variable age. Now we can print age in two lines. Now as you can see, the first one prints 10, the second one prints 14. So it's being assigned after the operation is completed. Now what if our calculation is singular? I mean, what if I want to add only a single variable, which means age plus 1. Now in this case, what I can do is I can specify the above this operation like this. Both does the same. What this means is age equal to age plus 1. Okay, I can use the same for subtraction or other arithmetic operations as well. So age minus 1 means age minus equal to 1. Okay, it's the same for multiplication and subtraction, or anything else for that matter. I can use any operator in here, like the operator we have seen before, arithmetic operators and comparison operators. Okay, so how are we going to use this? Let's say let's create a variable result and age greater than 30. Now if we print result, the value is going to be shown. So age greater than 30 returns false, because age is 14 and something like 15, 16 and subtracted 2, so it's about 14. Okay, so age is 14, so definitely less than 30. When we say age is greater than 30, which means 14 is greater than 13, which is false. So false is the result of this operation. So the result of this operation is going to be assigned here in this variable. So that's what assignment operator does. Okay, it's just moving a value from one variable or an operation to a predefined variable. Okay, that's what assignment operator does. Okay, and in case of arithmetic operators, we can use these shorter methods. Okay, so this is about assignment operators. Now now let's see logical operators. Logical operators are operators that we use to compare multiple comparisons, to do multiple comparisons. Okay, like let's say now my age equals 30, Abarra's age is 20. Now if I want to print my age greater than Abarra age, now if we print the result, what we get is true, because 30 is definitely greater than 20. Okay, now let's add another comparison here. What if I want to compare multiple conditions? So what I can do is I can say and, as you can see, since it's a keyword, the color is changed. Now this comparison has its own return value, and the second comparison, my age is greater than 45. What do you think this will return? Let's see. So let's run our project. Now it's returned false, but first it was true. What happens is we have used AND comparison. For this part of the comparison returns true, but this part of the comparison returns false. Okay, so when we compare true and false, it returns false. It's a logical operation. Okay, we have another comparison. We can also use OR operator. Okay, let's see the result. Now the first one, AND comparison, returns false because true and false is false, but true or false is true. Okay, so these are the comparison, the logical comparisons, and also we have another thing called NOT. So what it does is it just negates the result. Okay, it returns the negative of the result we get. Okay, so let's try here and let's see. See, now this line was returning true. Now I put NOT here, so it definitely converts or gives us the negative result. Let's try this one. Let's try our negation here. So previously it was returning false. Let's see what it does now. Okay, so it's still returning false. Let's see to make sure. It's returning false. Now what we have to do is we have to enclose the operation, and I want the entire result to be converted or to be negated. Now it will tell true. Before, when we do this, it returns false because it's not implementing for the entire result. It's only implemented for this one, because depending on the operator precedence, AND comes first. So this one only works, NOT comes first. So first NOT being implemented, and then the result of NOT is being compared using AND with this result. Okay, so these are the two operators, assignment and logical operators. I hope it's clear, but if you have any questions or comments or suggestions on our tutorial preparation, anything you'd like to say, please don't hesitate to put it in a comment section below. And also don't forget to subscribe if if you haven't done it yet. Still, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll get notifications on our upcoming tutorials as well. So thank you very much for watching.